A local health facility is expanding its cancer center, and that's our top story tonight. Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Matt Williamson.
And I'm Andrew Spaid.
And while that means an increase in treatment opportunities, healthcare workers tell us there's also more people being diagnosed with cancer.
Today, Matt and I sat down with those experts to learn more about the upgrades and what's next for patients getting and needing treatment.
When I see somebody ring the bell, it's the joy, you cannot explain it, that they survived the cancer, and sometimes it's really emotional.
Nurse Bing Bennett has worked at Sarah Bush Lincoln for 25 years, treating cancer patients for the last several years. She knows there's been a dire need for more space at the Regional Cancer Center.
We're just sandwiched with each other because before there were only like 3-4 nurses. Now we have like 6-8 nurses in one pod. And when somebody talks at the same time, we cannot hear each other. We're just so crowded.
And that's why Natasha Daters says an expansion is necessary. She's the director of the Cancer Center.
When Sarah Bush originally came out with the expansion, that we had seen about 25,000 visits total in the year 2020, and we're on track to do 47,000 visits this year. So as you can see from those numbers, that we have grown exponentially in that time, and I think we'll continue to grow.
Now, a new project will meet those demands. Sarah Bush Lincoln is expanding the Regional Cancer Center, which will include 15,000 square feet with chemotherapy equipment, specialized infusion bays, and a waiting room twice the size of the current one. But Daters says a rise in treatment needs also means an increase in patients.
It's an incredibly sad problem to have that cancer seems to be on the rise. You know, we're seeing patients younger being diagnosed with cancer, whether that be from, screening, and people are getting screened sooner, which is great. We celebrate the big wins. We're here to support, the sad days as well, but to get to watch those patients ring that bell and how emotional, that journey is coming to fruition is really, really special.
Daters also tells us while there's no official word on when the expansion will welcome patients, they're hoping to break ground sometime next spring, weather permitting.